News' Brianne Foley has your maritime weather forecast. Good morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. Yes, we're still seeing some of that rain hanging around in the region, some scattered showers throughout most of the maritime provinces throughout the course of this morning. We will start to see a little bit reprieve in that rainfall in areas in New Brunswick as well as Nova Scotia throughout the course of this morning, though there will be some potential for some thunderstorms across Prince Edward Island and Nova Scotia late this morning. We should see rain coming back into the region overnight for most of the Maritimes, and we're looking at average type temperatures for this time of year: 14 in Fredericton as well as Halifax, 12-year high in Charlottetown of this morning. However, we will start to see those dissipate and we'll see a mix of sun and cloud coming through the area a little bit later, but as we take a look here at our satellite and radar from this morning, we can continue to see some of those showers in the New Brunswick area as well as into Prince Edward Island, Cape Breton and eastern parts of Nova Scotia. Of course, majority of that rainfall hanging around over in St. John's. Now we'll get to our weather in just a minute as we take a look here at Hurricane Milton. It is exiting the east coast of Florida at this time, but CNN meteorologist says that we are not out of the woods yet. Could still see some tornadoes as well as some flash flooding with this storm. It's currently a Category 1 as it exits from Florida and into the Atlantic once again. We do expect it to depreciate into a low pressure system sometime on Friday morning, but as it continues, we will continue to monitor the situation happening over in Florida. As for our current temperatures, we're looking at a little bit cooler up in the northern part of New Brunswick throughout the course of this morning. We're seeing a little bit of a warm up as we head throughout the day today. Like I said, we're going to continue to see some of those scattered showers hanging around. Labrador could see a mix of rain and snow throughout the course of this morning, so cooler temperatures up there, seeing some of that colder precipitation coming through as well. We're going to continue to see those scattered showers hanging around into Thursday. Some more low pressure is going to be in our region. So as we take a look here at our rain outlook, we're seeing mostly trace amounts, the majority of that rainfall over on Cape Breton Island for the Maritimes, and again, that majority of that rainfall up in northern parts of Labrador as we head throughout the next 24 hours. Taking a look here, morning showers. We're seeing a mix of sun and cloud. Average type temperatures, except of course up in northern New Brunswick. We could see a risk of thunderstorms for Prince Edward Island as well as Cape Breton to start the day today. We are going to see an increase of cloud cover and then some rainfall coming back into the region a little bit later this evening. Same can be said for Nova Scotia. We're looking at pretty average type temperatures as we head throughout the day. The western portion of Nova Scotia seeing a mix of sun and cloud, while the east will see morning showers. Taking a look up in Labrador, cooler temperatures, rain and snow for that Labrador City area. Again, significant rainfall for northern parts of Labrador. We're looking at slightly above average temperatures for Newfoundland, cloudy with those showers hanging around in St. John's.